Hello guys, welcome back to your maths guide. On this channel I will be teaching you Cbse mathematics. If you want to learn the easiest way to solve maths, make sure to hit the follow button and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So today we are going to continue with exercise 4.3 of quadratic equations. The earlier sums I have done in the previous video. You can go check that out before continuing with the further questions. So let us start with third question. What does the third question say? Find the roots of the following equations. The first equation what they're given is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. Okay guys, you don't have to worry about this part. Okay, x is not equal to 0. This is just given for confusion. You're just concerned about this. Okay, so now let us take LHS. Let us take this x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now how do you make a quadratic equation out of this? First, whenever they give you anything, okay, make sure that there's nothing in the denominator. So this, whatever is in the denominator, you have to just remove it. How do you remove it? By taking LCM. So let us take LCM on this side on LHS. So x, this will be into x into 1. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3. Now this x, you can send it on the other side and multiply, cross multiply. So it goes here, x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Bring this 3x inside. X square minus 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. Okay, just rearrange it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Now once you get the quadratic equation, you can solve this by any method, by quadratic formula method, or just by factorization, or as we learnt in the question 1 and 2, by completing the square method. So I'm going to solve this by quadratic equation formula. So what is the a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is minus 1. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac minus of 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 ones are 4 into minus 1, so plus 4, that will be 13. And x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of d upon 2a. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus root of 13 upon 2, a is 1. So that will be 3 plus or minus root of 13 upon 2. So one root will be, therefore the roots are it is one. Once you can catch this as plus, and once you can assume this to be minus. So the two roots will be, the roots are x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay, so now let us see the second question. That is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, where x is not equal to 4 minus 4 comma 7. Again, this part is just given to confuse you guys. You're just concerned with this part. So again, we have to remove the denominator. So let us take LCM over here. What will be the LCM? X plus 4, x minus 7. X plus 4, x minus 7. This will be the LCM. Guys, removing LCM or solving LCM is the most important part in algebra. So make sure you are perfect with it. x plus 4, x minus 7. Okay, x plus 4, this will be into x minus 7, this will be x plus 4, x minus 7 minus x minus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, so now open this bracket, x minus 7 minus x plus 4 minus x, minus into minus, this will be plus 4 upon x into x, x square, x into minus 7 minus 7x plus 4 into x plus 4x plus 4 into minus 7 minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. So plus x minus x gets cancelled, minus 7 plus 4 will be minus 3, right? So this is x plus 4. Minus into plus will be minus. Minus 7 minus 4 will be minus 11 upon x square, minus 7 plus 4 will be minus 3x. So x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. So now see, you can cancel minus 11 and plus 11. Okay, because they are on the other sides of equal to sign. Now what you have to do is, this will be minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 upon 30. So now just cross multiply, this goes here, this comes here. Okay, so x square minus 3x minus 28, this into 1 will be this, minus 30 into minus 1 will be minus 30. Just cross multiply. Now let us copy this equation on the fresh page. x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. So bring this minus 30 this side. Square minus 3x minus 28, this will be plus 30. When you bring it inside, it will be plus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now let us solve this by factorization method. You can also solve it by quadratic formula method, but I am going to solve by factorization method. So this is 1 into 2 will be 2, roots of 2 will be 2 and 1. So x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 is equal to 0. From this we can take x common, x minus 2. From this you can take minus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. Right, see here, x minus 2 is equal to 0, then minus 2 goes on the other side, plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0, minus 1 goes on the other side, it becomes plus 1. So we got our roots. The roots are x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. So now let us go to fourth sum. Let's see what the fourth sum says. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find its present age. Okay, so now first of all let us assume Rahman's age be x. So let present age of Rahman be equal to x years. Okay, then if today his age is x years, then therefore Rahman's age 3 years ago 3 years ago will be x minus 3 years, right? So that will be x minus 3. And Raymond's age 5 years from now will be x plus 5. Raymond's age 5 years from now, x plus 5. Okay, now what they have given is the sum of reciprocals of Raymond's age. So sum of reciprocals means whatever these ages we have found out, it is their reciprocal. Reciprocal means nothing but it is just 1 upon. Okay, you just have to do 1 upon. So they are saying reciprocal of Raymond's age. So let us take 1 upon x minus 3 plus sum means plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, see guys, it is nothing but how we solved the previous question. Again, let us take LCM here. So what will the LCM be? X minus 3 x plus 5, right? So here LCM x minus 3 x plus 5. So this will be x plus 5 into x minus 3 x plus 5 will be x minus 3 plus equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so now let's write it. X minus 3 plus x plus 5 upon x minus 3 x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So now open this bracket. X minus 3 plus x plus 5 upon x into x, x square minus the x into 5 plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. 3 5 is 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So here it becomes 2x minus 3 plus 5 will be plus 2. 2x plus 2. And then here x square plus 5x minus 3x will give you plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now again cross multiply. So we have here 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. 3 to the 6x plus 6 and 3 to the 6 x square plus 2x minus 15. So you can do either of the things. You can bring this side or you can take this side. If you take see, we need our equation in x square. Okay, so x square needs to be positive. The first term always needs to be positive. So if we bring this here, it will become minus, and again we'll have to take minus common and so on. So what I prefer, I'll just take this on the other side. X square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x plus minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. I just took this on the other side. So what we have here, x square plus 2x minus 6x minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 will be minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, so yeah, find out the factors of 21. 3 7s are 7 1s are, so minus 7 plus 3 will give us minus 4. Yeah, x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. From this you can take x common. X minus 7 plus 3, from this you can take plus 3 common. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X minus 7 x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 3. Okay, now age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. Therefore Rahman's present age is ages, Raman's present age is 7. Okay, because it cannot be -3, so Raman's age is 7. So now let us go to our fifth sum. Okay, what does the fifth sum say, guys? See, in a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay, so whatever they have given us, let us start writing one by one. So mathematics and English, so let marks are equal to 30. So let us say, let marks in maths be x, right? Let Shefali's marks in math be equal to x, right? Therefore maths plus English is equal to 30. X plus English is equal to 30, right? Now you need English marks, so it will be 30 minus x. Therefore Shefali's marks in English equal to 30 minus x, because see, marks in maths plus English they've given us 30, right? Marks in mathematics and English is 30. So mathematics and English is 30. So marks in English is x minus 30 minus x. If she, now what they have given, had she scored 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of the marks would be 210. So now let us write that. Had she got 2 marks more in maths, had she got 2 marks more in math, then marks would be x plus 2, right? Already she has scored x. 2 marks more means x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English. Then marks will be 30 minus x minus 3. 30 minus 3 will be 27 minus x. Okay, so these are the marks. Now what they have given, their product is 210. Okay, just see what they have given is, the product of our marks would have been 210. So how will you solve? What do you mean by product? Product means multiplication. So x plus 2 and 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now multiply this. X into 27 will be 27x plus x into minus x will be minus x square, plus 2 into 27 will be plus 14, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 54 minus 2x is equal to 210, right? So what you got, 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. Now rearrange this. Minus x square plus 27x minus 2x will be plus 25x plus 54 is equal to 210. Now as I said, we don't need minus here, but since we have minus here, so take minus common. When you take minus common, all the signs will change. X square minus 25x minus 54 is equal to 210. Now send this. Now bring this keep this minus like this, bring this inside. X square minus 25 x minus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. Wait guys, wait. Before this sum, this minus you have to send it on the other side. So this will become minus 210. X square minus 25 x minus 54 is equal to minus 210. Now when you bring this minus 210 inside, it will become plus 210. So x square minus 25 x minus 54 plus 210 is equal to 0. So 210 minus 54 will be 6. This will be 156. So our equation will be x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Can you see? 156 is equal to 0. So now let us copy that on the fresh page. X square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So now if you want to solve this by factorization method, we have to remove the roots of 156. 156 2s are 7, 78 are, then 2, 3 are 6, 1, 2, 9 are 18, 3, 13 are, and then 13 1s are. So now what do we need? We need minus 25. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, plus minus 12 minus 13 minus 25. Yes, so 4 12. See, x square, we need minus 25, right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 13. Minus 12 minus 13 will give us minus 25. So minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. So from this you can take x common, x minus 12. From this you can take minus 13 common, x minus 12 again is equal to 0. So x minus 12, x minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0, or x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12, or x is equal to 13. Right. So now let us write the if marks maths is are 12, then marks in English will be to 30 minus 12, that will be 18. Or and if marks in maths are 13, then marks in English will be 30 minus 13, that is equal to 17. So find the marks in two subjects, that these are our marks. Okay, so now let us go to the sixth sum. Let us solve the sixth sum on a fresh page itself. So guys, what does the sixth sum say? See, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than its shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Okay, this is very easy. So sixth sum. First draw a rectangle. Now they have given rectangle, means you should draw. Which is the shorter side, guys? This is the shorter side. And which is the longer side? It's the longer side. What are the diagonals? This is the diagonal. So what they have given is rectangular, the diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side, and longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So they are referring diagonal and longer side with respect to shorter side. So let us take the distance of shorter side to be equal to x meters, right? So this is x. Then what they have given, diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side, so x plus 60, and longer side is x plus 30. Therefore diagonal will be equal to x plus 60, and longer side will be x plus 30 meters. Okay, so now see guys, this becomes a right angle triangle. So A B C D, A B C D, in this A B C D rectangle, ABC is a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here, right? So by Pythagoras theorem, we have, what does the Pythagoras say? Square of the diagonal is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So it will be AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So what is AB? X square plus x plus 30 the whole square is equal to x plus 60 the whole square. So now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. This is also in the form of a plus b the whole square expanded. X square plus a square, x square plus 30 square will be 30 into 30 will be 900 plus 2x into 30, so will be x square plus 60 square will be 3600. 6 6 the 36 and 2 zeros, plus 2 into x into 60. So this will be x square plus 900 plus 230 is 60x plus x square is equal to x square plus 3600 plus 120x. 260 is 120, so 120x. Now this will be 2x square plus 900 plus 60x equal to x square plus 3600 plus 120x. Now what you can do is this term shifted this side. Okay, so what we'll get, 2x square plus 900 plus 60x minus x square minus 3600 minus 120 x is equal to 0. Okay, so 2x square minus x square will be x square plus 900 minus 3600 minus 900 will be 2700. So minus 2700 plus 60x minus 120x will be minus 60x equal to 0. So now just rearrange this, x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Okay, so now see guys, 2700. So let us find out 27 will be 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 and 3. 9 minus 3 will be 6. So now instead of finding the roots of 2700, I will just find the roots of 27, okay, and multiply them by 10. Okay, so just see, this will become 9 30 30 30, let us assume. So 30 into 30 will be 900. So 90 into 30 will give us 22,700, right? So this will become 9 and 3. 9 3s are 27. So plus 9 minus 9 plus 3 will give us minus 6. So we'll make it 90 and 30. X square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So now guys, see what I have done is 27, found out the roots of 27. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9 minus 9 plus 3 will give us minus 6. So we need 60. So minus 90 plus 30 will give us minus 60, and 90 into 30 will give 2700. If you want, we can do it by conventional method, like adding 2 zeros here, then this will be 900, then this will be 300, then it will be 100, and so on. But ultimately you'll get the same thing. We have 2 zeros here and 1 0 here, so I chose this method. You can do as you feel easy. Okay, so here we can take x common. What remains is x minus 90, and then here we can take plus 30 common. X minus 90, 30 into minus 90 minus 2700. So yeah, x minus 90, x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x minus 90 is equal to 0, x plus 30 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 90, or x is equal to minus 30. Now distance cannot be negative, right? Distance cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 90, right? So if the shorter side is x, shorter side will be 90 meters, longer side will be 90 plus 30, that will be 120 meters, and diagonal will be 90 plus 60, that will be 150 meters. So this is our 6th sum. Now let us go to 7th sum. Let's see what the 7th sum is saying. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number, guys. My textbook is binded very tightly, so I cannot see, but you can see the question in your textbook also. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Okay, so there are two numbers, so let the numbers be x and y. Let the numbers be x and y respectively. Okay, so the two numbers are x and y. Now what you can say is, what they have given is the difference of two numbers, that is x square minus y square, they have given as 180, right? The difference of squares of two numbers means the difference is minus, so x square minus y square is 180. Now let us take the smaller number as x. Let the smaller number be x. Okay, let the smaller number be x, then bigger number is y. Therefore y will be 8x. See, they have given it. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So y square will be 8x. Now we have taken smaller number as x. Then they have given the square of the smaller number. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Okay. So y square is equal to 8x. Now substitute this y square as 8x in this equation. So x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Now bring this 180 this side. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. This you got our quadratic equation. Now after you get the quadratic equation, you just have to find out the roots, isn't it? So now once again, let us write our quadratic equation. That is x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. So 180 and we need 8. So while looking at itself, I can tell 18 into 10 will be 180. So 18 minus 10 will be 8. So x square plus 10x minus 8x minus 18x, sorry, plus 10x minus 18x minus 18, 180 is equal to 0. Now see, 18 in 10 into 18, 180, plus 10 minus 18 minus 8. That is how it is, as easy. When sometimes you can just see and get the factors. So x here, if you take common x plus 10, and minus 18 if you take common here, x plus 10 is equal to 0. X plus 10, x minus 18 is equal to 0. X plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 10, or x is equal to plus 18. Great. However, see, the larger number cannot be negative, isn't it? Because the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. That is what we have. That is what they have given us. So larger number cannot be negative, as okay, because 8 times the number of negative will become huge. Therefore larger number x is equal to 18. Therefore larger number is 8x, right? That is y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8 into 18. Then 8 18s are 144. So y square will be root of 144. That will be 12. So with this, our 7th sum is over. Therefore the numbers are plus 18 and plus 12. These are the two numbers. Okay. Now let us go to our 8th sum. What does the 8th sum say? A train travels at a uniform speed of 360 kilometers. So let the uniform speed of train be. Let the uniform speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Okay. Then what is the distance they have given? 360 kilometers. distance is equal to 360 kilometers. Now what is the next that they have given? If the speed had been 5 km or more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So now for this speed we need the time. Okay, so what is the formula? Speed is equal to distance upon time. It's upon time, right? So we need the time. So time goes here, speed comes here. So time is equal to distance upon speed, right? So time is equal to distance upon speed. So time taken to cover, time taken with uniform speed is equal to, distance is 360 and speed is x, so 360 by x kilometer, 360 by x hours. Okay, now if the speed was 5 km more, if the speed was 5 km per hour more, then that would be x plus 5, right? Our uniform speed was x, so 5 km per hour more will be x plus 5. Then the time would be, then the time required would be 1 hour less. So time required would be 1 hour less. That will be the 360 on x minus 1, right? This would be the time. So now we have to equate both the times to 360, this and this. See what they're in. Find the speed of the train. Okay. So we just have to multiply speed and distance. So this into this will be equal to 360. That is what you have to take. So x plus 5 in bracket 360 upon x minus 1 is equal to 360. Okay, so now what you have to do is just take LCM here. Okay, in this we can take LCM. So x plus 5 is 360 into 1 into x, so that will be minus 1x equal to 360. So now t by x. So guys, multiply this into this, x into 360 by x, so that will be 360. X into 360 by x, this x will go, so it will be just plus 360, and then x into minus 1x will give you minus 1x square, then 5 into 360 by x will be plus 360 into 5, 500 5630 1800. So 1800 by x, then 5 into minus 1x will be minus 5x is equal to 360. So our equation will be 360 minus 1x square plus 1800 upon x, 5x is equal to 360. Okay, so again 360 on this side, 360 on this side. When you bring this inside, it will be minus 360, so you can just cancel it directly. So our equation is minus 1x square plus 1800 upon x minus 5x is equal to 0. So this is our equation. Now again we have here denominator, like 0 upon x. So let us write down the next page. Okay, so we have our x square minus 1800 upon x minus 5, x is equal to 0. Now this x you can send it here and multiply it with 0. X square minus 1800 minus 5x to 0 into x. Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. So our equation is x square minus 1800 minus 5x is equal to 0. Rearrange this. X square minus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now we need to find out the factors. 1800, so 1800, 2 the 2 900s are 2 450s are 2 225s are, then 5 45s are, 5 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So this becomes 40. 3 3s are 15, 15 and 5, 45. So this becomes 45. So need minus 5, minus 45 plus 40, right? Minus 45 plus 40. So we have x square minus this is wrong somewhere. Oh yes, so here we have, sorry guys, extremely sorry. Okay, I'll just tell you again, we have not gone wrong. So this, our equation was minus x square plus 1800 x minus 5x is equal to 0. Send this x this side, it becomes minus 1x square plus 1800 minus 5x is equal to 0 into x. This will be 0. So we have here minus, no, we should take minus common. So x square minus 1800 plus 5x is equal to 0. So x square plus 5x, send this minus that side, it will be 0, minus 1800 is equal to 0. So now the factors we have found out, 40 and 45. Okay, so x square from square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. We need plus 5. So plus 45x minus 40x. So from this you can take x common, x plus 45. From this you can take minus 40 common, x plus 45 again is equal to 0. So x plus 45 and x minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 45 is equal to 0, or x minus 40 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 45, or x is equal to plus 40. Now the speed cannot be negative, therefore speed can never be negative. Okay, so our speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Speed can never be negative, remember that. So our x is 40. So now let us go to the ninth sum. Okay, what does the ninth sum say? Two water taps can fill a tank in 9 by 38 hours. So what they've given, 9 by 38 hours. First convert that into proper fraction. Okay, so how will you do it? 8 9, so 8 into 9 plus 3, 8 into 9 plus 3 upon 8. So it will be 8 9s are 4, and then plus 3 will give us 70. 8 9s are 72 plus 3 upon 8, that will be 75 upon 8. Okay, now we have converted it to simple fraction. Now let's see what they have given further. The tap of the larger diameter takes 1 hour less than the smaller one to fill tank separately. Okay, so let time taken by smaller tap be x hours. Okay, then large tank takes 10 hours less. Therefore, let time taken by larger tap be x minus 10 hours. Okay, so part of the tank, okay, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Now let us say let us consider the part of the tank that can be filled in 1 hour. So part of the tank filled in 1 hour will be 1 by x, right? Because in x hours it fills completely, so for just 1 hour it will be 1 by x. This will be in 1 hour by smaller pipe, and then part of the tank filled in 1 hour by larger pipe is equal to 1 upon x minus 10, right? So part of the tank filled in 1 hour by smaller pipe is 1 by x. Part of the tank filled in 1 hour by larger pipe will be 1 by x minus 10. So equate this 2 with this. Total time taken is this. So 1 upon x, okay, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 75 by 8. So now again I had told you nothing has to be in remainder. Right. So this is the total time taken. Then when you have to get 1 hour with respect to 1 hour, then it will be 1 upon x in bracket plus 1 upon x minus 10. So this will also be 1 upon 75 by 8. So this will come up. So 8 upon 75. See, total time taken to fill is 75 by 8, but we are considering it with respect to 1 hour, no? Because what they have asked, find the time in which each can separately fill. We need to equate 1 hour. Then we will find out the. Now 2 taps will fill, suppose, in 10 hours. Now 1 tap will take 20 hours and 1 tap will take 8 hours. So we need to find out in how much part of the tank 1 hour each tap fills. So we are doing this. 1 upon total time will give us reciprocal of this. So now equate this. Let us take a fresh page. That will be 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. So let us take LCM here. X into x minus 10. So here it will be x minus 10. It will be into x. So x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 by 75. That will be x minus 10 plus x upon x into x square, x in minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. So this will be 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x equal to 8 upon 75. Now you can cross multiply here. So 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8 into x square minus 10. 75 into 2x will be 150x. 50x minus 750. 75 into minus 10 minus 750. 8x square minus 80. So bring this to the other side, right? That will give you 8x square minus 80 minus 150 plus 750 is equal to 0. This you bring inside minus 150x, 750 you bring inside plus 750 because here it is minus. So here x was there, I forgot that. So this will be 80x. So 8x square minus, we'll get plus minus 80 minus 150, so that will be 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. So this is our equation, 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. So now let's go here. So 8 into 750, 8 into 750, that will be 800, 5s are 40, 8 7s are 54 plus 6000. Okay, so yeah, find out the roots of 6000. We need 230, so 2 3 are 6, so 200 into 30, that will give us 6000. So 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. So now 200 into 30 will give us 6000. Also minus 200 minus 30 will give us minus 230. 8x square minus 200 x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0. From this you can take common 8x common. 8x, if you take common x, 8 divided by 200 will be 5x. So 8 25s are, yeah, 8 25s are plus 30. If you take common, x minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 25, 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 25 is equal to 0, or 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. X is equal to 25, or 8x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 by 8. Okay, so the time, so let us consider x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 25. Therefore time taken by larger pipe is, time taken by larger pipe is equal to x minus 10, that is 25 minus 10, that will be 15 hours, right? So this is our 9th sum is done. Now let us go to the 10th sum. Again this 10th sum is similar as 8th sum, guys. Okay, it is absolutely same as 8th sum. Let us solve that. So what does it say? An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. So which is our slower train? Passenger train. So let the average speed of passenger train be equal to x. Okay, x kmph. Then average speed of express train will be, therefore average speed of express train equal to x minus 1. See what again? The average speed of express train is 11 kilometers. It's more. So x minus plus 11 kmph. Okay, the average speed of passenger train is x. They have given average speed of express train is 11 kilometers per hour more. So x plus 11 kmph. Okay. Express train takes 1 hour less to travel 132 kilometers. Therefore, now again, okay, so time is equal to distance upon speed. So time taken by passenger train is equal to distance is 132 and passenger train speed will be x. Okay, x hours. Therefore, similarly, time taken by express train, that will be 132 upon x plus 11. Right, 132 upon x plus 11 hours. So equate these two. 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11. So see why we have done it like this, because 132 the passenger are the express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So express train is less and total time will be 1 hour. Passenger train takes express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So this will be the equation. Now again take the LCM, that will be x into x plus 11. So here x plus 11 into x. So 132 into x will be 132 x plus 11. This will be 132x is equal to 1. So multiply 132 into x will be 132x plus 132 into 11. 132 into 11 will be 132 plus 132 will be 1452 452 minus 132x x square plus 11x is equal to 1. Now again cross multiply. After cross multiplying we will get 132x plus 1452 minus 132 is equal to x square plus 11x. Or now again we'll have to send it this side, but finding factors will be difficult in this. Or else from this sub step 132, you can take 132 common, right, from this. So instead of taking this side, let us take 132 common. 132 in bracket x plus 11 minus x upon x to bracket x plus 11. Okay, don't do this step. I realized we can take common. So if we, after taking 132 common, we'll have that 2. So see here, 132 when you open the bracket x plus 11 minus x. Okay, 1x into x plus 11. So plus x minus x gets cancelled. 1, right? 132 into plus 11, 132 into 11 upon x into x plus 11 is equal to 1. 132 into 11, 1452 upon x square plus 11x is equal to 1. So send just the side, 1452 is equal to x square plus 11x. X square plus 11x is equal to minus 1452 is equal to 0. So find out the factors of 1452. So that we get plus 11. So 1452 factors will be x square. 1452 factors will be plus 44 minus 33. Okay. So 1452 will be plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452. From this you can take x common, x plus 44. From this you can take 33 common, so 33x plus 44 is equal to 0. X plus 44, x minus 33 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 44, x is equal to 33. Now the speed cannot be negative, so speed of passenger train equals 33 kmph and speed of express train will be x plus 11, that is 33 plus 11, that will be 44 kmph. And these are 10th sum is done. So now let's go to our 11th sum. Okay, so the sum, what does the 11th sum say? The sum of areas of two squares is 468 meters. So the sum of areas so okay, let the sides of the squares be x and y respectively. There are two squares. The sum of this area plus this area is equal to 468 meters square they have given. So let the side of this square be x and x. This will be y and y. Let us take that. Let the sides of squares be x and y respectively. Okay, if the sides of the squares are x and y respectively, then squares will be x square plus y square. Okay, x square and y square. Now they've given the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of the difference between the perimeters. If the difference of the perimeters is 24 meters, in the difference of the perimeter difference, that will be 4x minus 4y. See, perimeter is x plus x plus x plus x. So I have taken 4x, and here 4 y. So 4y. 4x difference is 4x minus 4y is 24. Okay. So now from this you can take 4 common, x minus y, 24, x minus y, send 4 that side, 24 divided by 4, x minus y is equal to 6, x is equal to, send this minus y that side, 6 plus y. So the squares 468 meters square they have given. So the x is equal to 6 plus y. Put it in this equation. So 6 plus y the whole square plus y square is equal to 468 meters square. So this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So this will be 36 plus y square plus 2 into y into 6 plus y square is equal to 468. So 36 plus y square plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468. So this will be 2y square plus 12y plus 36 is equal to 468. Bring this 468 inside. This will be 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 12y minus, this will be 468 32 is equal to 0. Now see guys, by looking at this equation itself I can tell that we can take 2 common. So let us take 2 common here. Y square plus 12y. Okay, y square plus 12y. Then 12 means when you take 2 common, 12 will become 6. Then 432, if we take 2 common from 432 we have 2 and 32 is 16. It's equal to 0. Send this 2 on the other side. So y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0 by 2, that will be 0. So y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0 is our equation. So find out the factors of 216 to root 2 108. Okay, this will be 254 the 227 the 39 the 33 the 3 1 the. So we need 6. 2 to the 4, 4 2 the 12, and then 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, 27 minus 12 no. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, and 3 3 the 9, 9 2 the 18. So plus 18 minus 12, y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 is equal to 0. From this you can take y common, y plus 18. From this you can take 12 common, minus 12, y minus y plus 18 is equal to 0. Y plus 18 y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then y plus 18 is equal to 0. Y minus 12 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 18. Y is equal to plus 12. Okay, now area cannot be negative, therefore y is equal to 12. X is equal to 6 plus 12. X is equal to 18. Therefore x square is equal to 324 and y is equal to 12. Therefore y square is equal to 144. So x square plus y square is equal to 324 plus 144. This they have given us 468. 4 plus 4 8, 4 to 6, 1 1 4. So 468 is equal to 468. Whatever we have got is correct. The value of x is 18 and y is 12. So with this we complete our exercise 4.3. Okay, so that is it for today guys. Make sure to follow this channel and like the video. Thank you. If you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section below.